Welcome to Research Corner, a brand new feature of BE 101X. The idea behind the Research Corner is simple. Every week I'm going to invite one or two guests to come in and talk about their latest research in the area of behavioral insights. You will hear research that advances theory, you'll hear some that advances applications, but they are all leading behavioral researchers at the University of Toronto who will share their wisdom with us every week. Every time you hear these lectures, I'd like you to think about four specific things. Think about the underlying psychology. When you hear a guest talking about their findings, think about what it is that drives that particular finding and how it relates to our classes in BE 101X. Identify applications. Are there other domains, are there other questions or problems where you could apply the knowledge that you've learned from our guest in that particular day? Think about extensions. Are there other questions that the researcher could have addressed using the approach that they did in the research that they present? And then finally, as you get through the course and you've learned a little bit about experimental design, think whether you can identify the kind of experiment that the researcher ran. Was it a field study or a lab study? Did they have real incentives or hypothetical choices? And what sort of experimental design did they use? In sum, if you apply these four learnings to each of the videos that you're going to see, it'll help you better understand applications of behavioral insights to different domains. And finally, feel free to share your comments on the discussion boards, and in particular, if you have feedback or suggestions for these researchers, feel free to share them as well. I'm sure they would enjoy hearing from you.